Keratreat Duo is a perfect combination of Keratin Zero Formaldehyde and Cocoberry Keratin.
Guys, we have received questions from our salon partners and clients. So the first question is, when can you have the keratin treatment again?
Good morning mga Glamour. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Irish Wong, one of the technical educator of G&G Philippines, and today we will be discussing our keratin series under G&G. So what is keratin, guys? Our nails and our hair is made of keratin protein, and it is naturally made of our body. There are certain products like shampoo and conditioner that also promises keratin in the market. But you'll get the best benefits or the greatest benefits if you do it in the salon the professional way. So guys, what is keratin in the salon? The professional way. Okay? Sometimes they call it the Brazilian blowout, Brazilian keratin treatment, or sometimes they usually call it the keratin blowout and the permanent blow dry. It is a chemical procedure usually done in the salon that can make hair look straight for as long as 3 months, and it adds body to your hair and treats the hair and reduces the frizziness. Introducing to you guys, this is our G&G Keratreat series. So we have the number 1 here. This is our clarifying shampoo to remove the residues and the oils and to open the cuticle layer to prepare your hair for your treatment. So we also have the number 2 Keratreat Zero Formaldehyde that has keratin and infused with collagen. It is safe for everyone. It has no fume, no sting, no tears while you're doing your treatment. This is best used for highly sensitized, bleached hair and heavily damaged hair. And we have our Cocoberry Keratin treatment that promises 50% straightening to your unruly hair. It is an innovative product that less fume and non-sticky. It is best used right after your hair color service and rebonding in the salons. And if you want to have a more natural finish, you can try our French Choco Keratin treatment. It reduces frizz as well, and it's best used in all types of hair. You can use it right after rebonding or even coloring in the salon. And we also include our Keratreat Deep Conditioning Mask that you can use in your salons for standalone treatment or even after hair cutting, hair color, and hair rebonding. To complete the series, we have a smoothing shampoo and conditioner. These are sulfate-free, our OTC product, along with our Brazilian mask to be used at home. So there you are, guys. This is the complete product range of keratin treatment under G&G for all your hair care needs. Our model's hair has been repeatedly colored and have used bleach powder for highlights that causes her hair to easy breakage, fiber becomes weak, and lost its elasticity. So why Keratreat Duo? Keratreat Duo is a perfect combination of Keratin Zero Formaldehyde and Cocoberry Keratin. Both are keratin-infused treatment that has different texture and formula, specially designed for sensitized, treated, and damaged hair. Keratin Zero Formaldehyde is a water-based keratin formula that can easily penetrate inside the cortex to reconstruct hair broken fiber. It works as your building block for the inner layer of the hair that supports strength and corrects elasticity. While Cocoberry Keratin is a cream-based formula, specializes for hair smoothing, also tames the hair for easy manageability and combability. It has an anti-freeze formula that prevents hair from drying and split ends, gives additional moisture, and seals hair cuticle. It corrects unruly hair and texture for a more smooth and luster finish. For our model's hair condition, we only have to shampoo once and towel blot the hair and make sure there is no dripping.
After that, you have to section the hair into 4 and apply Keratreat Duo with 0 formaldehyde. Leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, rinse hair lightly. Blow dry hair up to 80% in preparation for Cocoberry Keratin No. 2 that has formaldehyde for a long-lasting and taming effect. After the whole application, process hair for another 30 minutes. Guys, we have received questions from our salon partners and clients. So the first question is, when can you have the keratin treatment again? Guys, if you have the sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner at home, you can repeat the treatment after 2 to 3 months. But if you don't have the proper maintenance at home, you can repeat the keratin treatment after a month or every after salon chemical services. Yes, it's safe to do the keratin treatment after each chemical services in the salon, such as color and rebonding, kasi it can seals and replenishes the keratin after each chemical treatment. Keratin is a temporary treatment. It contains 50% of unruly hair as promised. It can reduce frizziness and split ends, and it can last up to 2 to 3 months. Whereas rebonding is a chemical process that can break your strongest hair bonds, that can reform or reshape your hair from curly to straight permanently. We always say that keratin treatment can prevent the hair from drying and anti-split ends and anti-frizzy, But the thing is, bakit until now, meron pa rin mga complaints na nanggagaling sa mga salon or mga question na bakit nagda-dry or nagfi-frizzy ang hair after the keratin treatment. Guys, yung number one problem kasi, when you see your client na hindi na ganun kaganda yung kondisyon, pero you tend to use a higher temperature ng plancha. Kaya ang tendency, after 2 days pong maalawan nila yung hair nila, makikita nyo magko-complain kasi lalong bumuhaghag or nag-frizzy yung hair nila. So, keratin is actually not a guarantee to protect the hair from direct damage dun sa direct heat ng plancha. So, mas magandang gamitin yung tamang temperature ng plancha sa tamang kondisyon ng buhok. Kung ang buhok ng client nyo ay damaged na, you can play with 160 to 180 degrees Celsius, Pero pagka ang buhok naman ay normal colored, pwede kayong maglaro from 180 to 200, depende sa kapal ng hibla ng hair niya. And kung rebonded naman ang hair, normal rebonded hair, pwede po kayong gumamit ng 180 to 200 kung 220 kung ang buhok ay coarse resistant naman. So, you're still safe, Kaya, mas magandang i-analyze ang hair condition before you set your iron temperature. So, guys, make sure you set your iron temperature according to the hair condition. And it's an old school to say na the more mataas ang temperature ng plancha is the best for the keratin treatment. Hindi na po ganun ngayon ang turo. The more mas damage ang hair, mas maganda pong mas iingatan sila. And again, keratin is not a guarantee palagi para maging mas maganda yung result ng keratin ninyo. That's why marami pa rin kami naririnig na back jobs na keratin lang naman ang ginawa. So, it's actually not the keratin, but the temperature ng plancha o yung proseso na ginawa ninyo sa mga hair ng client. Blow dry hair 100% and using roller brush and high temperature is not recommended. Hand drying or wide tooth comb is the best option. Iron hair and set the temperature according to hair condition and texture from 160 to 180 degrees Celsius. To enjoy a long-lasting result, advise your client not to wash hair for 2 days and only use Keratreat sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner and Brazilian mask at least once a week.
So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. This is our model, Sheila. Ang buhok niya ay nag-bleach at nagkulay na ng so many times. So we use the combination of zero formaldehyde and the Cocoberry Keratin. So thank you again till our next vlog. Please follow us on our Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys and see you on our next vlog. Bye! We have... I don't si Ogie. The answer is... and follow us or and follow us or on... Please follow us or on our Facebook and Instagram. That's it.
3, 2, 1.